Search and download HDWiFiCam Pro in Google Play or App Store. Go to your mobile setting and find Wi-Fi setting. Find the related UID in the list. See this DKJ is the same like the sticker. Let's connect it. Note 1. Some Android phones, such as Samsung, will notice that your camera's Wi-Fi cannot access the internet. Please ignore this alert and keep connecting. 2. If you fail to find the camera's Wi-Fi in 1 minute, please keep it charging and reset the camera, then search it again. Okay, alright, now we have connected your mobile to the camera's Wi-Fi. Let's run the HDWiFiCam Pro app. There is an Add New Camera on the center of the app. Click it. Choose Add Online Camera, the middle line, and then click Search. Click the camera and then click Sure. Then we have added the camera to the app. Now we can see an online camera, but that doesn't mean we have finished the setting. Next, let's continue with the remote Wi-Fi connection. Click the gear mark. Choose Wi-Fi. Find your own Wi-Fi in the below list and enter the correct password. Click Done. Next, let's wait for 2 minutes. Attention, please don't do any operation during these 2 minutes. Just wait for the camera robot. After that, we need to format the card on the app. Run the app and you'll see an online camera. Click the gear button and find Record. Click Format SD card and click Sure. Next, let's continue with the app operation. Run the app, and then you'll see an online camera. And we suggest you to keep it charging while working so that the camera won't be offline due to low battery. For the photo, video, and event function, as the app is still adjusting, we don't suggest you to use it. Let's go into the camera user interface. Click the online camera and you will see some operation buttons. These two buttons are for horizontal and vertical flip. And here is the indicator switch button. And this lamp button is for night vision control. For this night vision function, as the app is still updating, so we don't suggest you to use it. Click the T mark, then we can turn off or on the time showing on the clock interface. And click here, we can adjust the resolution. These two buttons are for video and picture recording. We seldom use it, but once you click them, the files will take into your mobile. And once you close the app, it will stop recording. As you see, we have inserted the memory card, so no matter if we click to record here, the videos will still saved into the card. Here the audio controlling bar mark, but to obey the Amazon and the US rules, we have moved the microphone from the camera. So actually it cannot record audio, and you can't use this hold to talk function as well. Click the gear button and we'll go to the camera setting interface. For security, we suggest you to change the camera's password. Click User. The old password is 6666. Enter a new password you want to set and enter again. Click Done. Then the camera's password has been changed. Note, if you forget the changed passwords, please reset the camera. For the camera's motion detection setting, click Alarm and then switch on the motion detection. Choose the highest detection sensitivity and then click Done. Once there is an motion detected, you will get an alert on your mobile.